All right, so the guys at CraftKit have sent me over a DaVinci Resolve Advanced Panel to test. So I thought I may as well start with a unboxing video. So let me just get straight into here. Here is the DaVinci Resolve Advanced Panel packaging. So you can see that it comes in a very snazzy looking box. I open all my packages with my keys, so let's get going. When I open the box, I'm greeted with DaVinci Resolve 14 Studio box. Obviously, all their updates are free, so I don't really have to worry about that. I can go and download the latest version from the Blackmagic Design website. If I throw this stuff aside, what have we got? We have the software, which comes on a little SD card, and we have a couple of licenses, which I won't show you, and it looks like I actually have 2 product activation keys. So whether or not we all get 2 activation keys with our license, I don't know, with our advanced panel, but we can get clarification on that, and we'll put it in the notes on the video. And then in here, we also have the standard Resolve box. And within that, do we have anything else? We also have a dongle. So, by the looks of it, I have a DaVinci Resolve dongle in the package and 2 Resolve licenses, which seems like more than I was expecting. But that's very exciting. If that's what we all get with an advanced panel, then I'm a happy camper. In here, we obviously have a power supply, USB control, another USB, a couple of connections, and we also have these additional cables which will control power. So that will be the power supply between the panels, and the USB connections are the data supply between the panels. So if we jump into here, we get to the center console. So there's some really good weight on that. I'm a colorist, so I spend my life in a grading suite. I'm not exactly the strongest person in the world, but still that's a very solid piece of kit. Let me open that up and put that out for you to look at. So there you go, there is your center panel. Looking very snazzy, very good feel on the controls, so that's looking very good. Before we move on, I'll turn this around so you can see the back panel. So you can see here's your power supplies and USB connections that I mentioned. So obviously your primary power supply will go into here. The additional power supplies that connect up to the other panels will connect in there, and the same with their USB connections. So very, very nice and simple. And it does look like it's all controlled over USB from what I can tell here. So it will be a USB as the primary connection into your computer. All right, so let's turn that back around and get the other panels out for you to peruse. So, turn that around for you and aggressively open the packaging. There we go. So, the various connections have already gone over, and then that can obviously be set up where we would like it to go. Actually, would probably have that on the left. Then we've got the other shuttle controller here. And again, get rid of some packaging. And there we go. Nice little motion on my shuttle there. Everything all looks pristine, very snazzy, very nice panel. And that is the DaVinci Resolve Advanced Panel. So there we go. I'm looking forward to getting it in the suite and getting to work.